So what exactly is a ductless AC system? A ductless AC system is a type of air conditioning system that requires no ducts. And it's comprised of two main components. You have your mini split outdoor unit and your mini split indoor unit. Basically, the way it works, your outdoor unit has a cooling sauce inside of it and sends that cooling sauce to your mini split indoor unit. Your mini split indoor unit gets installed in any room that you want your air conditioning in, and that way we can keep you cool and comfortable.